Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall games on the EA app using your PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on a home page, on the left hand side, click on My Library. This will show you all the games you have installed through the EA app. Now find the game you want to remove. Now click on the three dots of the game you want to delete. From the menu, click uninstall. A message will appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the game. Click yes to continue. The EA app will now start removing the game files from your computer. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. Once it's done, the game will disappear from your install list. But don't worry, you don't lose it forever. This game will still stay in your EA account library. That means you can reinstall it anytime by going back to My Collection or Library, clicking on the game and selecting download again. And that's it. Just open the EA app, go to My Library, right click your game and hit uninstall. It's super easy. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.